Conditions of our planet has both affected and been sustained by the ongoing evolutions of living organisms. Without evolutions, many species would have died out, possibly preventing life on Earth. So, what is evolution? When we talk about evolution, a clear picture of dinosaurs evolving into birds and reptiles, and most importantly, an ape gradually evolving into human comes into our view. So the theory of evolution was first formulated in Darwin's book On the Origin of Species, which clearly stated that organisms change over time as a result of changes in heritable physical or behavioral traits. This is also called the survival of the fittest, which means that it is the fittest, strongest and most adaptable animal in nature that survives. There are four mechanisms of evolution. The first mechanism is mutation. Mutation is an environmental triggered genetic change. For example, zebras. The zebra skin, if we notice, is a white one with black stripes on it. But before it was like a small horse. This mutation was very helpful as it helped them camouflage and blend with each other so that the predators could not see them. And also it helped them to avert the solar radiations of the hot savanna of Africa. Two groups of horses, Group A and Group B. Now let's bridge the gap between them. This will result in the mating of both the groups, and in a way we will observe Group A offsprings in Group A and vice versa, leading to a mixed population of both the groups. This movement of genes or genetic material from one population to another population is called gene flow. Imagine that in one generation, two brown beetles happen to have four offsprings. Many green beetles were killed when an elephant stepped on them. The next generation would have a few more brown beetles than the previous generation, but only by chance. These chance changes from one generation to the another generation are known as genetic drift. Let's come to the last and most famous mechanism of evolution, natural selection. Natural selection is the process through which organisms adapt in their environment in order to survive. For example, this image shows a peppered moth before and after the industrial revolution. They grew darker with time due to the increase in pollution made by industries. But this was very helpful as it helped them camouflage in their dark surroundings and avoid predators.